Vanakkam. I would like to say about this constitutional body, statutory body. What is the difference between these two terms? That is constitutional body, statutory body. Constitutional body means which is formed, constituted under the provisions of the Indian Constitution. That is formed, created under the authority of the Indian Constitution. It is directly mentioned in the Constitution itself. Such bodies are known as constitutional bodies. Example: Comptroller and Auditor General, President of India, all constitutional bodies. Union Public Service Commission, State Public Service Commission, Election Commission, National Commission for SC, National Commission for ST, National Commission for Backward Classes. All these bodies are constitutional bodies because they are mentioned in the Constitution itself. The powers are derived from the authority, that is Indian Constitution itself. So they are called constitutional bodies. Some bodies were made as constitutional bodies later on by Constitutional Amendment Act. For example, National Commission for SC was earlier only statutory body. What is statutory body? We will come to learn about it just afterwards. National Commission for SC, National Commission for ST, Scheduled Tribes, were earlier statutory bodies, but they were made constitutional bodies by Constitutional Amendment Act. 89th Constitutional Amendment Act in 2003, in the year 2003. Similarly, National Commission for Backward Classes were given constitutional status. They were made as constitutional bodies by Constitutional Amendment Act in the year 2018. 102nd Amendment Act, 102. Amendment Act number 102 in the year 2018. This National Commission for Backward Classes were transformed as constitutional body, given constitutional status. So now we understand what is constitutional body. There are so many constitutional bodies as per the Constitution. Originally in the Constitution itself it's mentioned, or later on given constitutional status by Constitutional Amendment Act. Then what is statutory body? Statutory body is non-constitutional body. They are not mentioned in the Constitution. They are not given constitutional status. But they are statutory bodies because they are created under the statute, that is statutory law, that is act, legislated by the Parliament. By act of Parliament, by an act of Parliament, the statutory bodies are created. These bodies are known as statutory bodies. For example, Central Information Commission is a statutory body because it is created under the statute Right to Information Act 2005. So, as per the Act, Right to Information Act 2005, the Central Information Commission has been formed under the authority of that Act, under the Act passed by the Parliament, Right to Information Act 2005, CIC. Similarly, CVC, Central Vigilance Commission, is created under the authority of Central Vigilance Act. These are all the statutory bodies because they are not mentioned in the Constitution, but later on they have been created by Act of Parliament, by Parliament's law. But constitutional bodies means directly mentioned and created by the Constitution itself. That's the mention in the Constitution itself. Statutory bodies become constitutional bodies after giving that status by Constitutional Amendment Act. I have given some examples. National Commission for SC, National Commission for ST, National Commission for Backward Classes. Originally they were statutory bodies created under the Act of Parliament But later on, they have been converted, they have been changed the status given as constitutional bodies by Constitutional Amendment Act. Okay, these are the differences between statutory bodies and constitutional bodies. Next, executive bodies, that is non-statutory bodies. For example, Niti Aayog. Niti Aayog, in replacement of the earlier prior Soil Planning Commission, that is Niti Aayog. Niti Aayog means National Institution for Transformation of India, Aayog. That is created under the Cabinet Resolution, Executive Order. Therefore, it is a non-statutory body, neither constitutional body nor statutory body. So, we understand now in a nutshell that the constitutional body is different from the statutory body. Non-statutory body is something different. Okay, thank you.